Good evening, let's do unboxing! Yay! Kitang-kita na no kung sino yung i-unbox natin. Yes, the ever beautiful Erza from Fairy Tail. Yay! Let's see kung ano itsura niya in actual. Wow! Look at that. She's so beautiful, isn't she? Wow. And look at that scarlet hair. Wow. This is her ultimate form. Kung saan siya pinakamalakas sa ganitong sa Fairy Tail. Wow. One of my favorite anime character of all time. Wow. She's so beautiful.